In this video, we are going to find the domain of f of x equals 7 over 2x minus 1, and we're going to write our answer in interval notation. So how do we find the domain of this function? Well, we have a fraction, 7 over 2x minus 1. We want to make sure that the denominator is non-zero. So we want to make sure that 2x minus 1 is not 0. So we can add 1 to both sides, so we get 2x is not equal to 1, and now we can divide both sides by 2 to isolate x, so we get x cannot be 1/2. So what this tells us is, if I plug in 1/2, so f of 1/2, I get 7 over 2 times 1/2 minus 1, which is 7 over 1 minus 1, which is 7 over 0, and we are dividing by 0. This is bad. However, what this tells us is that at every other value that's not 1/2, this function is defined, so that's the domain. So we want to write our answer in interval notation, so we can have, if we're looking at it from the number line perspective, we have 1/2 here. Oops. We want to draw an open circle around 1/2, and we can have everything to the left and everything to the right. So in interval notation, that would be curved parentheses minus infinity, comma 1/2. Now 1/2 is not included, so we use curved parentheses, union, again curved parentheses because we're not including 1/2, all the way up to infinity. And that is our domain. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.